I'm gonna do my I'm gonna put my new serpentine belt on and take out the air pump and put in a pulley delete system. So all you need is a 1/2-inch breaker bar. Right in here is where the breaker bar goes. Put your breaker bar in there, push it forward, and the belt is loose. Take it off. Slowly bring this back up. Okay. There we go. I just had to pull it a little bit. So yeah, the belt's pretty bad. It's all cracked. Yeah, the belt's all cracked. Glazed over on this side. Time for a new belt. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is remove the airline. So I'm going to just loosen the hose clamp. It's 8mm. I can't get in there with a screwdriver, but it's an 8mm wrench fits on there. Okay, I slipped the hose off. I'm going to take the hose clamp off of here just so that I don't, lose it, drop it, forget about it. Now it's just 2 bolts in the back and this bolt here. This is a 10mm. I don't know what the back is. Looks like 13 maybe. It is 13. I only know this because I've wrenched on them enough. I can't get a socket down here. I'm going to need a 13. I'm just going to use a 13mm wrench. Okay, I'm going to use a 13mm ratcheting wrench. I know it's going to come off because the previous owner put an alternator in. So this should all come apart pretty easily. I really like ratcheting wrenches. These are nice. Now the whole pump and bracket should come out of there. Unless I'm forgetting something. Now, looks like there's one on the bottom. And I am not going to put this stuff up here. Not good. Let's take this bracket off. And this will be the bracket. Bracket will come out. Bracket will come out. I'm going to take this pulley off. It's just going to be so much easier. There we go. There's one free. There's 2 free. There we go. That's my little trick there, guys. Put a break 2 free, and then put a screwdriver in there and wedge it to apply leverage for the 3rd bolt. Now this pulley will come off so I can easily get at the brackets. Okay, that one's loose. One more. Oh, no, that's it. It's just this one. Okay, so there's two brackets. There's a bracket with two bolts in the back. There's this bracket that you'll have to take off, and then there's one bolt right here. And the easiest way to get at that was by taking the pulley off. Alright, I just had to change the battery, so I'm sure the camera is not back in the same spot that it was. Alright, so my kit. How is this going in? Oh, this is different. This is removing the whole bracket. That's even better. Oh, guys, this is even better because now this is in the way of the valve cover, but this whole bracket's coming out. I should be able to break these free with my ratcheting wrench. One more. Of course, it's 9/16. It's a freaking inch. That's just crazy. All right, the bracket is loose. Wow, this really does free up room in here. This is kind of awesome. All right, I'm going to transfer this nut over to here and use the supplied bolt in here. That way I still have all my bolts holding this bracket on. Okay. Okay, that's tight. Okay, they're both in. All right, guys, everything's in. The belt needs to be resized. So what I did was I just got it just in case. Okay, it perfectly touches now, perfectly, under no load. So I know I need it to be a little bit shorter than this. All right, guys. So with this delete pulley in, it's a lot smaller than the old one. So I had to get a shorter serpentine belt. I'll put all this information in the description. Okay. It's on all the way around. I need to get it on right over here in the alternator. Okay. I'm ready for the tensioner. Oh man, perfect. Holy smokes.